Hey guys, what's up? Fireball Gaming here, and I am with my first episode of, I already forgot the name, like Shark Eater Man, a game. And, well, the point of the game, I know the point of the game is to eat things and become stronger and bigger. So we gotta eat fishies so that we can level up and get more and get better where we go. Oh my gosh, ice cream. Penguins. Time extended? Whoa, more penguins. Yes. Need more. Penguins. Uh, yes. Got him. I got him. What is this supposed to be, like bonus level or something? I don't understand. Gotta get the ice cream bar. I've never seen this before, so I'm actually curious what this is. Is this like a hidden bonus level? Ah, the penguins are gone so fast. No. Yes, got it. There's another one. Didn't get down. No, I didn't run out of time. Num, 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 num. Oh my gosh, they're all coming up. Oh, dang it. And I have to go 2 hours for that again. That was awesome. Eat, 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 eat all. Eat all, eat all. Ow. Scuba. No, no, not hurting me. You don't get to hurt me. Num, num. Stingray. Dang it. More food, more food. I need eat more food. Eat food, eat food. I need all of the food. Num, 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 num. Num, 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 num. Oh, gotta get them all. Yes, got the last one. Get that. Swim back. Really? Like, she was basically swimming towards me. Well, I should have got that one. Eat these flying fish. That boat. Get away. Those things hurt. Dang it. Let's go. Let's watch a video really quick. Oh, this is loud. Turn your volume down. Watch a video really quick to increase our time so that we can last longer. I don't like doing stuff like this. Hurry up. Okay. Nope. And we've revived. Ooh. Oh my gosh, what the heck? What the heck was that? Everybody else saw that too, right? Did they like make a huge update or something when I was gone for like 2 days? Ooh, bomb. That's a bomb. I know that's a bomb. Oh! Don't get speared. Uh. You don't know? Eat him. Mamba. Or is it bun? Really, bro? Eat them all. Yes. Got another one. No one's gonna get in the shock. Mm, mm, mm. Another one in the shock. Another one dead. Another one dead. Another one's in the shock. Mm, mm, mm. Why are you all in the shock? Dang it. Get back in the water, Sharky. It's like a jet ski. Well, let me get it back up. Vroom, 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 like a jet ski. Shark. Is there a way to break this? Oh my gosh, these guys. I want this guy that has, dang it, speared. Ah, I hit a bomb. Dang it. Let's do one more round without upgrading. Let's go. Let's go. Make sure double check internet. Okay. But yeah, we can do this. Dive in. Get these guys. That was a huge bonus. Nothing on top yet. Huh. Flying fish all come down. Eventually. Eat this shark. Ah, yes. So that guy won't be hurting me anytime soon. Ooh, just got so much food. Nom nom. Oh. Oh. Yummy. Get the people. Just shivering her legs. Like, honestly, get out of the way. Going again. Full speed ahead. Yes. Got sunscreen. Look at this jet. Nom nom. Eat 'em all. Nobody escapes. Nobody escapes. Nobody escapes. Eat, 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 eat. Ooh, every single time. Always gets me. Scuba snack. Oh, more sharks. More food. More goodies. Must kill. Oh, I got a gem. Must eat more. Must. Ooh, boat. I like boats. Ooh, eat shark. Dang it, I died. That's gonna be it for this episode. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, subscribe, comment below if you want more of this and what you want me to do. And have a good day.